The glory of gardening. Hands in the dirt, head in the sun, heart with nature. To nurture a garden is to feed not just the body, but the soul. Alfred Austin. Healthy soil is the secret to a productive garden. Today we're testing our soil and learning how to amend it to give our plants the best possible start. Your soil's structure, pH, and nutrient levels determine how well your plants grow. Testing helps you understand what's missing and what needs adjusting. The three main nutrients plants need are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, often labeled as their periodic table of elements, NPK. pH levels affect how plants absorb nutrients. Some, like blueberries and hydrangeas, prefer acidic soil. Soil is often labeled into three separate textural types: sandy, clay, and loam. Soil science defines way more than these three structural types, but they are mostly different combinations of sandy, clay, and loam. Testing your soil is easy and affordable. You can go to the store and you can buy test kits at around $10 to $20 a piece. And these measure pH and NPK levels using color charts or little gauges. But the most accurate and complete option is to get a professional lab test done. And these are often available through agricultural extensions if you're near a university. Prices range depending on the lab you send it to, but it's usually anywhere from $20 to $50 per sample. To forget how to dig the earth and to tend the soil is to forget ourselves. Mahatma Gandhi. Now that you know your soil's pH and nutrients, let's fix any imbalances that you have found. For pH adjustments, if it's too acidic, you can add lime, not the fruit, the mineral. And if it's too alkaline, add elemental sulfur or composted citrus peels or coffee grounds. Nutrient deficiencies. If you have low nitrogen, you can add composted manure, blood meal, or alfalfa meal. Nitrogen is essential for leafy growth, and you certainly don't want to start with a low balance. If your phosphorus is low, you can use bone meal or rock phosphate. Phosphorus is important for root and flower development. And if your potassium is low, you can apply wood ash or kelp meal. Potassium is used for disease resistance and strong plant vigor, improving your soil structure. Heavy clay, add compost and sand to improve drainage. Sandy soil, add organic matter to improve water retention. February is the perfect time to amend your soil, 1 to 2 months before planting begins. Spring rains help break down the amendments and integrate them into your soil. Manure and compost need time to mellow before planting, so adding them early prevents them from burning your plants. Think long-term. Consider options like no-till gardening or using cover crops or green manure. Soil is a living ecosystem. Take care of it and it will take care of your plants. Test, amend, and get ready for a great growing season. Let's grow!